Welcome to high-strength stainless steel hollow sections with Pekka. So, it started out when I wanted to test our high-strength stainless steel hollow sections. So I texted to Jamie, he came to Finland, we did some tests, we became friends, the series came out. Jamie came back, we did some more tests, they were even bigger. People loved it. I got in trouble for smashing up our parking lot. I thought that was it, but it wasn't. Jamie wanted to do more tests, I wanted to do more tests, so here we are. Yes. And my name is Pekka. And this is Jamie Hyneman.
Hey, Pekka.
Hey. How was your flight?
Bumpy. We got more bumps coming, I think, don't we?
Perhaps yes. So, this is the test you have been talking about for a long time now.
Yeah, you know, we've done a lot of other tests with the tubing where we're putting it on a stand and pushing on it in the middle or something like that, but it doesn't really replicate the real world. So if you think about what it takes to actually replicate that, it's really pretty tricky. And therefore, I've come up with this thing that is, I would say, diabolically simple, and that is to bolt these tubes onto the back of a truck and ride over a bumpy road. Of course, one of the tubes on the truck will be made from common mild steel, and the other will be made from Stalatube 350. And we'll take it out and run it and see which one gives up first.
Well, it's not going to be the austenitic stainless steel.
Hopefully, it'll also not be us that give up, because we're going to be in the truck with it. You ready?
Yes. First, we wanted to start easy.
Well, I don't think anything happened.
Second round. We decided to lose the chains that restricted the swinging, so Jamie decided to add some extra side force. Third round. Still not enough swinging. So more zigzag and double in the bumps. Jamie was dead serious about breaking the poles. And we took quite a beating ourselves too.
Well, we have some sort of a result here. It didn't buckle, but looks like there's a little bit of plastic deformation here. It's starting to show artifacts, but the stainless did better. This is what you want. You want it to absorb energy and not break. I don't think we're gonna be able to show anything else. I mean, I gave that truck hell. Well, shall we go home?
So there you have it. Strong is strong, even when shaken. Our austenitic Stala 350 is specially made to replace carbon steel in load-bearing structures. Its advantages are high-level corrosion resistance and toughness, excellent formability and weldability, great fire resistance also, and like we saw, great energy absorber. And it's lightweight and cost-effective. And a sustainable choice.
What he said. So what are you gonna do with the car?
I'm gonna sell it. The cage, everything, the whole shebang.
Somebody's gonna have a difficult time fitting it in the garage.
Yes. They need a cave. In the next episode, we go up north. No, not to Santa, but better. If you like to watch our tests, you can subscribe.